grace, I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. But when I know